welcome to another tutorial. Today we will see the page GoMining. They have also mobile application which is much better than the one on the internet, but for the showcasing I will use this. It's very simple and easy. You will just register using your email and then you will get 7 days mining for free. If you buy any miner in a period of 7 days, the hash rate will be ×3, and if you buy any miner after the period in 3 days, after 7 days you have 3 days to buy another one, and then you will gain the GoMining tokens. You will get 100 of them, which you can use for maintenance fee to pay, so you do not need to add more money and be actually profitable. The cheapest one is for $25, and you will get the money back around 4 months, so it's not really profitable if you use the cheapest one, but it costs almost nothing and you will get the money back, so I don't see problem here. Also, you can stake those tokens and then withdraw them to your Binance wallet, and you can, if you want to end it, you can sell the NFT to another one and they will buy it from you. You will gain the $25 back, but the mining will stop. So if you want to gain only like about $20 or 25 to get back the NFT you bought, you will need to mine about half a year, and then you will get back the dollars you spent, and then you can also sell the NFT, so you will be in profit of the price. And you can use my referral link to get small bonus after registration, so don't forget using that. And it's quite easy platform to understand. Also, you'll need to do KYC verification. I almost forget about that. And for the withdrawal, you need to buy one miner. You can't withdraw it. The free you mined, you can withdraw it, but you can use it for paying maintenance and stuff like this. But if you buy it in the first 10 days, you won't need to spend the free mine, because you will get another tokens that are you can spend on maintenance. You will get 100 tokens, which is equivalent to $20, and you can even stake them. If you don't want to buy another one, you can stake them and earn a small profit. So that's about it. Don't forget to register using my link, and have a nice day.